Hello, I'm Mohammad Akbar Hassan, representing Briddhi Schools of Professionals and School of Knowledge. We are talking about team. You know what is more important? The many ideas grow better when transplanted into another mind where one sprang up. And who said it, The Oliver Wendell Holmes. And what he said exactly? You can cultivate many ideas. You can cultivate many beautiful and good, moving ideas. But you can bring ideas, you can explore ideas, but if you don't share your ideas to your team member, they will not grow up. They will not be excited to move forward. So whatever idea that you receive or you explore, whether if it comes to your mind, the beautiful achieving ideas, please disseminate that ideas to your team members so that they will be excited, they will be enthusiastic to move forward. And that is very important today. In many cases, we explore very good, excellent ideas where we can achieve a desired goal. But what the problem lies? That we don't share with them. We don't share with our team members. So team members left ignorant. They know nothing about the good ideas. So as a leader, as a coach, you must disseminate the good ideas into the mind of your team members so that they move forward and achieve the organization goal.